I've been fixing up an old toolbox of mine using these clamps, but this one here is just not working, it's slipping, so thought I'd open it up and see what's inside, see if I can fix it, or just, I've always kind of wondered how these work. I think I've had these ones for like probably 15 years. Maybe even a bit longer. They were all pretty cheap when I bought them, so I'm kind of surprised they've lasted this long. Interesting, okay. So I think the problem was sometimes it sort of, the handle gets jammed up here. I think the issue was also, so I could push it back, it would just get jammed. It wouldn't actually stay. It doesn't help that this shaft is rusty. So normally you push this in, I think that might be the issue. This rust here is binding up these plates. Maybe that spring's a bit loose. But I think I'll try and clean up these shafts and see if that helps. Oh yeah, see, if I try and slide this forward, normally these things, they will just slide freely forward, but this guy here is actually jammed. Yeah, you can see now that it's on this clean section, operates as you'd expect it to. This lever pushing here kind of moves it forwards, and when the lever pops back, it slides back, so it allows you to advance. So yeah, I think it's just that this rust is causing problems. So I'll clean that up and we'll see how it goes. So to slide this off the end, I need to get rid of this little, I guess you'd call it a roll pin, because that blocks and stops this one from sliding off the end. But it's actually a bit hard to do that, to get that off. So instead, I'm just going to take this guy off. Oh wait, there's a roll pin there. That one looks slightly less rusty. Or I might just clean it up, this section, and then move the head and clean the next bit after, separately. A wire wheel is probably the easiest way to do it. think you need to watch the rest of this. Okay, so I hit it with a wire wheel. It's come up reasonably well. Kind of gotten rid of most of the powdery rust, so I'm just going to oil that up, because I was thinking about it, I think what was going on was the friction as these sort of key plates go through. So it was probably the rust on the sides as well as on the ends, just causing that extra bit of friction. So I think having a bit of oil on there will also help it move. So I'll just spray that up and we'll see how it goes. So in this surface here, which hasn't been corroded, is very smooth compared to there. You can feel the pitting, but let's see if it makes a difference. If it does, I can always sand it down. I'm going to try and put as little effort as possible into this. Helps if I put it on the right way. It seems to be better. This handle's just sort of binding with the edge there sometimes because I haven't got it held in place. I think that is probably good enough. Let's just make sure I've got it all back together. Give it a little bit of a spray in here too. It's probably not the best oil for it, but I think it's good enough. Okay, that is much better. Beautiful. Okay, I'm glad I decided to open that up. I was just going to throw this one out because it's, like I said, when I bought this, it was very cheap. Got it from Bunnings, which is the kind of discount hardware store here in Australia. Yeah, a very long time ago, but I think there's plenty of life left in that. And for some of these other clamps, I'll need to do the same thing. I might try hitting some of them with some sandpaper and see if that actually helps, if I can smooth the surface out something a bit closer to what it was. I don't think the tolerancing of that is critical. Probably the thickness might be, that way, but the actual, the height of the bar, but the thickness of the bar, I don't think is. Okay, well, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.